Now we're going to talk about angles of elevation and angles of depression to help us find distances. And well, let's read our word problem and then we'll take it from there and solve it. A group of hikers on a camping trip climbed to the top of a 1,500-foot mountain. When the hikers look down at an angle of depression of 36 degrees, they can see the campsite in the distance. What is the horizontal distance to the group, or I should say between the campsite and the group? What is the horizontal distance between the campsite and the group to the nearest foot? All right, well, let's look at what we have here. Now, well, I'm going to do a trig function, and I'm going to have a 90-degree angle down here. So you're going to be using some variation of SOHCAHTOA. And if I'm at the top of the mountain, and if I look straight out, not looking down, if I look straight out where you see this dotted line right here, that's parallel to the ground. And this segment here, if I think about it, is a transversal. So therefore, if this angle of depression is 36 degrees, this angle here at the ground is also going to be 36 degrees because they're alternate interior angles. So there's my theta, 36. I've got a 1,500-foot mountain right there, and I'm trying to find this distance x. So if this is theta, I know the opposite. I'm trying to find the adjacent because the hypotenuse is up here. That's representing my angle of depression. Well, let's see. Opposite, adjacent, tangent 36. Well, let's set this up this way. I got the tangent of 36 equals 1,500 over x. Well, let's multiply both sides of this equation by x, and then we got x equals the tangent of 36, and that equals 1,500. And I want to isolate the x because that's what I'm trying to find, to the nearest foot, the horizontal distance between the campsite and the mountain. And so then that's going to equal 1,500 divided by the tangent of 36. Now, by now, I think you probably should know how to do the keystroke. So I'm just going to enter this on my calculator. And so I've got 1,500 divided by the tangent of 36. And of course, first off, I want to make sure I'm in degree mode, not radian mode. We're using this tangent function. And that comes to 2064.57. And we're to round this to the nearest foot. So this horizontal distance, x, is 2,065 feet from the campsite to where these guys are standing on top of the mountain. Go climbing. Climb a mountain. Be good for you.